The state dining room is the second largest room in the White House after the East Room. This room has most often been used as a dining room, but originally, under President John Adams, it was used as a reception room, and then President Thomas Jefferson used it as his office and cabinet room. The room was expanded during the 1902 Roosevelt administration renovations of the White House, and during this time, beautiful oak paneling was installed in the dining room. This paneling was originally just dark wood. However, after the 1948 to 1952 Truman renovation of the White House, this was painted to cover any scars from construction. President Franklin Roosevelt added another defining feature to this room. The fireplace includes a blessing from President John Adams, which reads, "I pray heaven to bestow the best of blessings on this house, and all that shall hereafter inhabit it. May none but honest and wise men ever rule under this roof." Unlike the other state floor rooms, the state dining room only features one painting. This is the iconic painting by George P.A. Healy of President Abraham Lincoln. This was originally painted in 1869, however, President Grant rejected this painting and chose another Lincoln portrait instead. In 1939, the portrait made its way back to the White House, where it was decided that it would hang after much discussion in the state dining room, where it has typically remained.